Hey guys, today I just wanted to show you this. This is a birdhouse. It's made out of pottery. Basically, there's like a screw with a washer you put in the tree and you just hang it. See, you can clean this out. It's got a little piece of willow branch or something for the stem. It's kind of neat. And this hangs on the tree. Just put in the screw with the washer and it just hangs on there. Now this was made in Saskatchewan, and if you think this is weird, this is actually an old design. It says inspired by Colonial Williamsburg Bottleneck birdhouses circa 1746. So obviously these are something that they made back in the day, and it also has a caution: hanging in a sunny location may result in heat buildup in the bottle. So you want to put this in a sunny area, so we're going to go hang that today. But I thought this was really neat, handcrafted. Obviously it's something a little different, not made out of wood like most, but anyway, let's go hang this. Alright, there we've got our little birdhouse all mounted up. There's another one we got up there. See how long it takes for the birds to come.